Hello everybody, how are you? I am Naresh and your teacher here and will be teaching you a different question and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com where we'll be discussing question. So let's get on the question. So our today question is how can you track sick and vacations time in QuickBooks? Create two dedications called sick and vacation. Use these when you pay your employee. You cannot track sick and vacations time in QuickBooks. Create an Excel workbook and manually enter employee accruals and uses with each payrolls set up six or vacations time as wage item that define how QuickBooks should accrue it when you set up to your employee set up a separate non-posting accounts for a sick and vacation time and then the record sick and vacations time against that account. The correct answer of the question is set up six or vacations time as a wage items, then define how QuickBooks should accrue it when you set up your employee. So that the answer of the question. If you are searching any other question, please visit www.classtwitter.com and find on the search sections. If you have any question to ask, there are sessions on the right side of the website. Fill the form and will be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share, subscribe our channel. Until next question, bye bye.